Hi there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're diving into another tricky word, epitome. It's spelled E-P-I-T-O-M-E, and the correct pronunciation is epitome. Let's break it down. Epitome. Say it slowly with me. Epitome. Got it? Great. Now let's talk about its meaning. What does epitome mean? Epitome is a noun, and it refers to a perfect example of something or the ultimate representation of a particular quality or type. Examples in sentences. 1. She is the epitome of kindness, always putting others first. 2. This painting is the epitome of Renaissance art, showcasing its distinct style and grace. Isn't it an elegant word? Now let's practice one more time. Epitome. Fantastic. You've nailed it. If you enjoyed learning this word, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Say It Right, and share it with your friends who love expanding their vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Remember to keep practicing and exploring the beauty of language. See you next time.